Okay, love, so I'm going to start off by saying this look will be best if you have been taking care of your skin. Everything is about skincare. Now my skin is looking a little better because I've been really taking care of it. If you guys want to see an updated skincare routine, then just let me know down below. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. I already washed my face. And my two favorite moisturizers, Glossier Priming Rich Moisturizer, Priming Moisturizer Rich, and I mix between this and my Miracle Cream by The Better Skin. I love these, what do you call it, moisturizers. I love moisturizing my face now. I sleep with the sleep mask, and oh my gosh, I feel like moisturizers are supposed to go deep in your skin, so I feel like spending time like massaging it into your face really helps. Not really help it like go into your skin and not just sit on the surface. For my primer, I am still using this, like really became my favorite primer, the Covergirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, and this is the purple pore minimizing one. My pores are like the worst things on my face, I think. So like my pores, I went to an event one time and they looked up like how my skin is doing, and I have really large pores right here, and right here, and on my nose. Like my worst problem areas are my like T-zone right here, and right here, and under my eyes, and on my chin, everywhere. Going for a glow, like a glow, you know? So I'm going to I'm going to spray my face with this Pacifica Crystal Hydro Mist. It says for skin and soul, get glowing. I love this shit. It has crystals in it, and if you guys don't know, I'm so into crystals and all that. Oh my gosh, should I do a crystal haul for y'all? Should I do a crystal haul? I think I'm gonna do a crystals haul, and just like a little spiritual healing video for you guys. Oh my gosh, this just popped in my head. I'm gonna do it for y'all because the other side of Jocelyn, like beauty, is either singing Jocelyn or spiritual Jocelyn, like, which is all the same Jocelyn, but those are like my favorite things, I guess. Singing, makeup, and spirituality, and crystals. But okay, anyways, I'm gonna spray my face. Ooh. I'm going to use the Fenty foundation. Y'all already know. A light, very light layer of foundation, because this is a fresh look and I'm going to cover up my dark spots that I have on my face with concealer. As you guys can see, I still have my little dark spots on my face, and you can still see my dark circles, all that. The Fenty Beauty just like made my skin even with my like chest and arm, because my face is a lot lighter than my body sometimes. The other day I took a picture of my face and it looks so much darker than my body, and I feel like it does right now. I don't know. Whatever. To be honest, I didn't even need to use a foundation. If you want to skip foundation, you can. So now I am using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in Chestnut, and y'all, I saw Nicole Guerrero use this. I had used it before, but when I saw her use it, I was like, ooh, yes, my little baby using it. But she was like, I'm going to hide this from myself. And that's what I should have did, because now none of my other concealers get used. I only use the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. What did you do to me, Too Faced? You got me being two-faced over here. It's okay. And this is way less concealer than I would normally use, because we're going for that natural look, you know? So I'm going to add it on all of my little problem areas on my face. Look at this giant ass pimple on my freaking cheekbone. cover it. We're gonna cover your ass. We're gonna cover you. Does it look like I'm just about to put another layer of foundation on my face? So I'm taking my beauty blender. My beauty blender is the shit. This is by Real Techniques and you can find it at Ulta. I need to go get a new one. I'm going to let my under eyes sit a little bit. I feel like when I'm not using as much concealer, if you let it sit, even if you're using like a sheer concealer kind of, I feel like if you let it sit and soak into your skin a little bit, then, you know, the pigment is more pigmented. This is by Lancome. This is their Tint Idol Ultra Wear Makeup Sticks. This is in the color 510 Suede. I love this. I have no idea where I got this from, but it's like, ugh, and I'm almost done. And this says this is expired. Girl, good thing it's almost done. So, boom. Boom. Your girl got a double chin, so I'm just going to blend this out. Now I'm going to blend under my eyes, and I'm taking my concealer like into my waterline while I blend it, just because I feel like instead of putting a white eyeliner there, you can just put your concealer right there and it'll make your eyes look so big. Girl, you forgot on top of your lip. I'm going to use the e.l.f. translucent powder, and I'm not using a lot of this at all. I have been loving the bushy eyebrows, so I'm going to use I use a mascara for my brows a lot of the time because I do have black hair and I love really dark brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking my Better Than Sex mascara, just because this is my favorite mascara, and I will be putting this like on my eye. You can use any mascara you want. You can even use a clear mascara and you can like dip it in a black mascara and then use that as your eyebrow stuff. But I'm gonna be using a little bit of this today. I'm gonna take my Covergirl eyebrow pomade and I'm going to just lightly line the bottom of my eyebrows, just so I have more of a shape than just brow hairs. I'm just going to add my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm not putting any eyeshadow on because I just feel like, well, you know, I don't need to. I am gonna load up on this motherfucking Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara really is better than some of the sex I've had, so great name, Toofaced. For my lips, I am using this Beauty Supply dark brown lip liner. For my highlight, I am using the J-Cat. It doesn't even have the name on it anymore, but this is a J-Cat highlighter. Tap, tap. Cheekbones to under my brows to this, wherever like I see the light is gonna hit, which is normally right here. I just take it everywhere, to be honest. If I want to look really dewy, I put it in the center of my brows, a little bit on my forehead. I think the key placement is like right there. Right there. cover my face one more time.